some ratio problems where you might need to multiply instead of adding over and over. So here's a problem. It says, for every 2 laps that you swim, your friend swims 3 laps. You swim a total of 8 laps. How many laps does your friend swim? Okay, so we're going to use a ratio table to find the answer to this problem. So I've written out this. We have a ratio table, you and your friend. You swim 2 laps, and your friend swims 3 laps. So we have a 2 here for you and a 3 here for the friend. You can swim a total of 8 laps. So here's my 8. And we need to figure out, well, how many did my friend swim? I can't double 2 to get to 8. I can't just keep adding 2. So what I'm going to do is think about, well, how did I get, what did I have to multiply by? So getting bigger. What did I need to multiply by to get from 2 to 8? And I had to multiply by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. That means down here, I'm going to have to do 3 times 4. Okay, remember, whatever we multiply by on the top, we're going to multiply by the same amount on the bottom. 3 times 4 gives me 12. So if I swam 8 laps, my friend swam 12 laps. Let's try one more problem. At an amusement park, it sells 5 bottles of water for every 2 bottles of juice. In 1 hour, the amusement park sells 20 bottles of water. How many bottles of juice does the amusement park sell? So here they wrote out water to juice, and it said they sell 5 bottles of water for every 2 bottles of juice. So they wrote a 5 for the water and a 2 for the juice. So in our problem, it says it's in 1 hour, they sell 20 bottles of water. How many bottles of juice do they sell? So here I have my 20 bottles of water. How many bottles of juice would that be? So again, I need to think, well, how did I get from the 5 to the 20? Okay, I'm getting larger, so I know I'm multiplying. And I need to think about my times tables. What times 5 is 20? Well, 5 times 4 is 20. So I'm going to think about this one too. 2 times 4, the same thing. 2 times 4 is 8. So they have sold 8 bottles of juice in an hour when they sold 20 bottles of water in 1 hour. All right, so today's problems you're going to work on are going to deal with multiplying to find the missing values in our ratio table.